things to know. Countries around the world. Today we're going to be learning about Germany. Germany is in the continent Europe. The capital of Germany is Berlin, and the language people speak in Germany is German. Hello! The currency of Germany is Euro. Some famous people of Germany are Beethoven and Albert Einstein. Some tourist attractions of Germany are Berlin's Brandenburg Gate and Neuschwanstein. Some other tourist attractions are Berlin's Museum Island and the Black Forest. One famous food of Germany is Sarbenton. What is Germany famous for? Germany's castles are iconic. German cars, BMW, Audi, Mercedes-Benz, Porsche, and Volkswagen. German beer, Oktoberfest, carnivals, and music festivals. Japanese music industry is a trendsetter. And football. Now it is time for the quiz. Can you guess the correct flag? You have 3 seconds. 2, 1. This flag is the correct one. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Bye!